Hi, my name is Borja Duque. I'm Spanish. I come from Madrid, but I have spent the last 14 years working for different IT companies through Europe. In 2009, I decided to become entrepreneur, and we founded in France a company called MoveWork. Right? In MoveWork, we are providing traceability solutions from employees. Okay, and we started in France. We opened it in Spain at the end of last year, and we have a very ambitious project of internationalization, okay, through different countries. I chose the OEMP program because actually it's covering the main areas what I need for develop this business. That this area are financial for entrepreneur, are innovation, internationalization, and actually from, just 1 week of program, I can tell you that is over the expectations that I had. Okay, they are covering perfectly all the subjects that I am interested in. I'm very, very happy about the program.